I'm Ahmed Elmohamady from Egypt, been in UK for 15 years, ex-Premier League footballer, played for Sunderland, Hull City and Aston Villa. I'm here today because I want to do my hair. I first started notice my hair going around 2019, 2020. And you look at yourself in the mirror and feel like maybe less of confidence, a little bit. You know, we have like training, games, stuff like that, so I didn't have any time to do it. Today I'm here to fix it. I heard about DHI. One of my close friends recommended me. One of the best clinic here in UK for hair. I met with the doctor a few weeks ago and he explained to me everything, how we're going to do it, how it's going to look after maybe 6 to 7 months, the results after that. And I was happy with everything, to be fair. And of course, you know, DHI is the best clinic to do it for me. Almost done now, so been there for almost the whole day. I'm glad I did it. A lot of people, you know, done it before, and after they done it, they look much better. It looks natural, which is the main thing for me, because it's important for a man, you know, to look good. Yeah, doctor did a fantastic job.